What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jen, and today I'll be showing you this cranberry purple peach halo eye. If you like what you see, just keep on watching, but first you gotta subscribe to my channel. What's up? We back at it with another tutorial. Today we're going to be using this off Tropic palette by NYX. We're going to this cranberry color and we're going to start packing that on our lid. Then we're going to go into this purple color, this deep purple, and start smoking out that cranberry. Next, I'll be taking my ColourPop concealer and I'll be cutting out where I'm going to put that other color in the center of my lid. Sorry, the lighting is like really off in this part of the video because of where I had the mirror, but we'll just be taking that and carving out the center of our lid. And then I'll be taking this peachy color and putting that on top of the concealer. And I'll be taking a brush and blending in the purple and cranberry into the sides of that. Now I'll be taking the color Peach Cobbler and blending out that intense cranberry. And I'm going back into that cranberry and intensifying it onto my lid. Now I'll be taking my favorite drugstore foundation, L'Oreal Pro Glow, and I'll be taking the shades 111, 112 and mixing those. Now I'll be going into the color Fresh Picked and blending out this color up into my brow bone. Now I'll be taking my favorite drugstore concealer, NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, putting that on the high points of my face and blending that out with my Japanese beauty sponge. To set my face, I'll be going in with my Airspun powder. For the bottom lash line, I'll be going back into that cranberry and that deep purple and smoking it out. I'll be setting my face with my favorite setting spray by Morphe, the setting mist. Now I'll be going in with the contour shade from this Black Radiance contour palette and contouring my face. I'll be following that with the bronzer by Black Radiance in the color Toasted Almond. And then I'll be going into my favorite highlighter by MAC, the Darling Skin Finish. I'm going back into the Black Radiance palette and contouring my nose. And then I'm highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner with that same highlighter. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I have no idea what liner this is. I'm so sorry. I'll try to put it in the description box if I can find it, but I have no clue. For lashes today, we'll be using I Envy Iconic Collection by Kiss. And I'll be following that with my favorite mascara by Maybelline. Lastly, we're going to finish it off with Spice by MAC. You already noticed my favorite lip gloss. And it's a wrap. That's it. Alright, that's it for today's look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions. And subscribe to the channel, fam. Duh. This is it. That was it. That was it. Comment, like, subscribe, and